Hello, it's Hestia, back with another tutorial. This time I'll be showing a technique I've recently learned called Retiform. This is a really fun and simple technique that I found has some really nice effects. At the end I popped in a few images of other cards I've made with this technique. I've got everything out ready today that I'll need, and I'll note it all down below in the description. I'm using the Daisy, Ditsy, Dotty stamp set from Craftwork cards, and I'm using the 4 and the U stamps for my sentiment. I'm going to be using my Holtz stamp platform just so I can stamp again if I need to get a clear image without looking like I'm seeing double. You'll notice my magnets have bits of washi tape attached to them. I got this tip from other craft YouTubers and it makes it much easier to pick up the magnets. I'm just placing my stamps down where I want them, and then I'll bring the lid down to secure them, ready to stamp. I like to use the Versafine Clair in Nocturne. It's a really great black and I find I get really crisp results with it. Next up, I use a bit of scrap paper, and using the Tumbled Glass Distress Mini, I'm just buffing along the edge to create a hazy geometric effect all over the card. There's no rhyme or reason to this, just blend out wherever you like. I also like to colour the edges just to pull it all together. Now, this is the fun bit. Taking some Postit Notes, I go along and box off each section, one at a time, leaving a slight edge of that tumbled glass. I've picked out a few flowers from the stamp set, and I'm using Blueprint Sketch Distress Oxide. I'm going to stamp them randomly, making sure to go off the edge so it looks more natural. Once I'm happy with that section, I move on to the next one until all the white shapes are filled in. Now that I've filled in all of the white spaces, I can completely take off all the post-its and see the final result. I decided I'd use the heart stamp from the set just to fill in near the sentiment, as I felt there was a bit too much open space. I thought about putting another heart at the bottom, but I felt that would be a bit too cluttered and I wanted to keep it fairly simple. All that's left to do now is stick down the card base with a bit of double-sided sticky tape, and that's the Retiform technique. No two cards ever come out the same, and it's super quick and easy. I even convinced my husband to have a go and he made this raindrop card. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed and supported me so far. If you're new here, smoosh that subscribe button, hit like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!